Come test drive the 2009 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.